Now the next is meter and thermometer. Now in the meter display you can find meter tag here, meter element here, and when you drag it, it will show you some visual interface like that. And of course you can do its sizing. Now this is having a meter ranging from 0 to 100, and I'll just tag it with the same address N7:0 for the demonstration. So I'll tag it here. So this is having 56 because this N7:0 is 56. So this is another visual interface if you want to show, let's say, the feedback from the motor, from the drive, or if you want to show the voltage 0 to 10 volt or your AC voltage 220 volts. And if you are having those values in your PLC, you can reflect that in your SCADA screen by just tagging with the required data register. Now this is getting varied to 37 because I'm changing it using a potentiometer. So this is reflected here, 0, and you can go up to maximum, that is 98. And of course, whenever you see something analog scaling here, you will also find its maximum and minimum value and the desired value. You will always find it here. The tick size is 10, which means its difference is from 10. I can make it 5 to have more precise variations like that. Okay, so it's up to you how you want the tick size, how you want the color, and the maximum limit and the minimum limit you can select from your property section. So this was your meter indicator. Similarly, you have a thermometer which looks like that. Now in thermometer you again have a range from 0 to 100, and this is generally used when you are measuring the temperature in your process. Right now I don't have a thermometer or a temperature measurement device in my PLC, so I'm going to use the same potentiometer, because here you have to learn how to read the value from the PLC. Okay, in case if you are having the value coming from the temperature sensor, you can directly link that with that tag. So in here I'll just do the simulation from this potentiometer, 78 degree, because this is 78, the tag is 78. So if I move, this will show you variations like that. So this shows actually the high temperature, this is the optimum temperature, and if it is below this level, it is the low temperature. And you can select this tag, select this tick here, which is currently, if you select this one, yeah, here are the properties, its value, its higher bound, its lower bound, and this is the scale which is already there. I hope we cannot change that, but here you have you can see the unit. This is now in Fahrenheit, this is in Celsius, and that's in Kelvin. So that you can have it here. Okay, so in Celsius you're having the value 6 degree, this is 01, because it is mercury, so it is increasing and showing you like a mercury. Okay, so this was how to display values in thermometer and normal meter. Okay, this is more like working on the HMI part. This is the HMI part we are doing in the SCADA. Okay, in the next video we'll see the numeric input, which is again an interesting topic in SCADA screen. Thank you.